Welcome to a quieter video today. We've all been there teching, working on our guns, and they make quite a lot of noise. Sometimes you're in a hotel room, not supposed to be shooting in hotels. Sometimes you're at home and you're annoying the kids or the wife. And you stick a towel over the end of the barrel, or you do all sorts of different things. But what we have now is actually an adapter for the Stella barrel, which will allow you to make your gun quieter. Now this adapter works with any 1/2 inch muffler and fits onto any Stella barrel back. So this will work with all of our autococker barrel backs. It'll work with our A5 barrel backs if you're working at a field. It'll work with a Lux barrel back or an Ion barrel back. And very simply, it's going to allow you to install it into your gun. And make a very quiet gun. So if you need to do any work, you need to do any teching, you can do it. And if it's going on an autococker or it's going on a pump gun, the length is long enough so it's not going to get in the way of the pump handle or get in the way of the pneumatics, and you can work on your gun. We're going to have these available as just the adapter if you already have a muffler piece or you know a good source for them. We will have them as the muffler and adapter combined. And then because we've got a few blemished barrel backs with some anodizing issues and marks and scratches, we're actually going to do a discounted price so you can buy the muffler with a barrel back that's intended to work with it. The backs will have some blemishes, but it'll be a combo, so you can buy one for your autococker, your Lux, your Tipman gun, anything you like. And we'll have those on discount, so you'll be able to pick one up really cost effectively. And then we're also going to do a tech pack where it will come with the three different types of threaded barrel back, the adapter and the tip. So you get a full set of the backs and the tips, 3 different threads, 1 adapter, 1 muffler tip. So if you're a tech, you're working at the field, you're working at the home on multiple guns, you can do so without making any noise. If you buy it with the barrel backs, they're going to come as whatever size they come, whatever finish they come. They might be matte black, they might be polished black, but they're only going to cost $10, so they're going to be super cheap. And then right now we have the pre-production run of the mufflers in polished black. We only have a few of these. It was accidental. They were supposed to be matte black. Production ones will actually be matte black, but they are available now. Yeah, one quick thing. If you're going to go shoot your gun, make sure there's no paintball in the barrel back, especially with autocockers or snipers, because it will just make a mess inside there. Obviously, it's not going to come out. There's no way for it to come out. And you should always make sure that your gun is empty of paintballs, there's no paintballs around, and that you're wearing eye protection anytime that you are working on a paintball gun. Thanks for watching.